Okay, so this toilet developed water hammer. Let me close this. Let's see if we can. I already took this apart and cleaned it. I could just buy another one of these valves, but I think what I'm going to do is install this water hammer arrestor, which is this. It just screws, it just bolts right on. So let's see. I'm going to turn this water off over here. Actually, I'll unplug this. Okay, so before you disconnect any plumbing, you flush the toilet and you get all the water out of there. Because if you don't, when you disconnect the plumbing, the water's gonna go, all the water in here is gonna go into the floor, all right? I'm filming this after the fact because I forgot to mention that. So you hear it filling, the water wouldn't be filling. You turn the water off, that's step one. Step two, flush the toilet, that gets most of the water out of here. Step three, take either a little cup or shop towels. I have something that looks like this, and I can suck the water out of here, all right, and put it in the sink. But make sure there's almost as little water as you can have in there. The ideal amount of water is 0. If there's 0 water in here, when you disconnect the plumbing from the bottom, nothing's gonna go on the floor. This is directly connected, the bottom of this thing is connected to the plumbing. So if you disconnect the other end of the plumbing, anything in here is gonna hit the floor. So that's imperative, okay? All right, back to the video. Let's do this. Let me take this off. Here's this. Spun the bottom part off. This part looks like this. See what the top looks like. Here we go. can plug it up here. Let's turn this on. Let's make sure it doesn't leak. Not bad. Let's flush it and see. Much better. Well, no more banging. We'll make sure there's no leaks.